Hey, it's your girl Mia J. Thank you for coming back and checking out my next video. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe and then hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is up and ready to go. Okay, it's Valentine's Day season. You need a gift. Let's make these berries. Alright, so I guess I just woke up today and decided that I was going to be someone who could now do chocolate covered strawberries. Last time I tried to do this, I was in high school and it was a disaster. So I'm not sure what made me think this would be any different. Especially with this big glob of coconut oil I have going on right here. Yes, girl, put some of that back. Put it back. Yeah, some more. Put it back. Now, oh, it's still a big glob in that bowl. But, alright, do you, sis. First, you want to wash, dry, and put toothpicks in your strawberries. Next, you want to grab the leaves back out of the way so they don't get in the chocolate. Hold on to the toothpick and start dipping your berries. And at first, this looks like perfect coverage. Everything's going well. I don't know why I didn't do this years ago. And then the first trouble starts to set in. The chocolate is way too thin. Now, I did add coconut oil. And in hindsight, way too much coconut oil. And I heated the chocolate for about 30 seconds, and that's all it needed before it was melty. So I went back and tried it again. And I don't know why I'm steady tapping this spoon when I could literally just wipe it and go. But alright, maybe there's some magic in the tap or something. But here we go. I'm ready. I've got this weird shaped strawberry. When it comes out, you're going to see the extra little humpity bumpity on the side of it. But it's all good. But the coverage is much better. So now I feel like I'm on to some. Yes, Mom. It has a weird hump. Alright, so now that I consider myself the foremost authority on melting white chocolate, I will have to tell you that if you have issues, the best bet is to get rid of that first batch and make a better batch. Now we are whipping them out. We have gotten into our groove. Our bowl is too small, so for you, get a bigger bowl. But for the most part, everything was real easy with the white chocolate. It wasn't until we got to the milk chocolate that we started having problems. Thought, cover the whole table in parchment paper and not just a small square so you don't get frosting and everything else everywhere. We went ahead and microwaved chocolate with oil and we were ready to roll. Okay, so this is very much DIY. So I'm going to tell you one of the mistakes I made was using milk chocolate chips and white chocolate chips with coconut oil instead of getting the candy melts. Just because you already have them in the cabinet, sis, doesn't mean they're the best for the job. I ain't gonna hold you. This little pink berry, glitter berry situation, I did. I thought it was really cute. This particular glitter line worked out well. You just drizzle the chocolate, pour the sprinkles over, get the extra sprinkles off. Now, because the milk chocolate is crazy and it wanted to do its own thing, when I tried it on the milk chocolate, it didn't work out as well. But yeah, look at the pink berry. Pink berry. I should start a yogurt company that puts topping on and call it Pink Berry and become a millionaire. Anyway, I digress. I'm putting these lines back on the strawberries so I can use them later as a guide when I am getting ready to add the sparkle. Here I am just drizzling over milk chocolate on the strawberries. It was okay. I still think the sparklies were the better look, but chocolate drizzled on white chocolate, it works. And they turned out nicely. Yeah, let's get ready. Alright, so after you saw me struggling to get these white chocolate lines to nicely go across the berries, you see that I'm using that as a divider, if you will, to show me where to paint as a guide so I can now become the strawberry Picasso. I also tried to do that same type of shine and shimmer line situation on the milk chocolate. You'll see that later, but it just didn't work out. And I was really struggling getting these lines, swirls, dribbles on this chocolate. Now, the shine here is great, but after it dried, the milk chocolate ones didn't give what's giving. Alright, by now I am like literally had enough of this strawberry thing. As you can see, the mess is growing and growing and growing. I feel like any minute Ashton and Willy Wonka are going to pop out of a closet and punk me. I feel like it's going to be a Oompa Loompa running through here, but it better not, because if I catch it, it's these hands. I know it don't want no smoke. But I've got a mess going on. I've got chocolate everywhere. I think it was like 3 in the morning and I had to work in the morning. I am not really sure what's going on. Some of these designs are working out very nicely, but then some of them are not giving what you would want them to give. Wait, don't let me speak too soon. We done came out with a whole platter full of something that looks like it might just work. I went to the dollar store to pick up some things that I needed for this box, which was the pink grass that I just showed you, and these white boxes. You can't go wrong with the dollar store because they got what you need. Oh, baby, you. All right. Obviously, all of the berries are not going to fit in this box, so I chose 8 that look like they were kind of coordinated. You got the coordinates. 8 that look like they were kind of coordinated and got them in this box. And I want to say that through all of my frustration and the huge mess that I made and the late night and all of that, these turned out really nicely, and I would definitely do them again. Plus, look at the shine on those pink berries. Pink berry. I would do this again. I would take some helpful hints and make it a much quicker process next time. I think you should give these a try. These will be the perfect, heartfelt DIY gift for someone you know and love for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Remember, it's always better to give than to get, or at least equally satisfying, because I like to get. And anyway, thank you for coming by. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.